Hi kids. Let's solve these fraction problems step by step. First, we have 15 over 18 of 17 over 10. Remember, the word of means multiply. Before multiplying, we can simplify. Divide 15 and 10 by 5 to get 3 and 2. Next, divide 3 and 18 by 3 to get 1 and 6. Now multiply straight across. 1 times 17 equals 17, and 6 times 2 equals 12. Our answer is 17 over 12. Now for 17 over 12 divided by 17 over 21. When dividing fractions, carry down the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. This gives us 17 over 12 times 21 over 17. The 17s cancel out each other cause 17 can go into 17 one time. Then divide 21 and 12 by 3 to get 7 and 4. Multiply, 1 times 7 equals 7, and 4 times 1 equals 4. That's 7 over 4, which is an improper fraction, so we have to turn it into a mixed number. 4 could go into 7 one time with a remainder of 3. Therefore our answer will be 1 and 3 over 4. Great job, math superstar. Keep learning with Kips.